Hi guys, it's around R1 to 5 here. I'm sorry I cancelled my other video. I was making it and I accidentally keep on canceling it. So I'm back again here with another video after a really long time. I'm gonna try to be making videos, and here's this multi-tool. It has the Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, saw, and it has a light. So and it has a knife. I had this multi-tool before, though the knife wasn't sharp. On this, the knife it's looking really sharp. So, and you obviously got these needle nose, not needle nose. You got these pliers. So I'm gonna be doing my unboxings with this. So look out for that. I really was gonna get a butterfly knife, but I guess I'm gonna be doing it with this. So look out for other reviews. I might do some on Bakugan, which was the main reason I made my channel, and there are new Bakugans out now, so yeah. So this is Harundar. It's Harundar 1 to 5 signing out.